Tim Finnegan's Irish Pub is a family-owned, authentic Irish pub in Delray Beach, Florida. We offer our customers delicious Irish food prepared using the traditional recipes of our parents and use only the finest and freshest ingredients available. We are the favourite haunt of our Irish seasonal residents here in Delray, as well as our dear locals all year round. We are the only local pub that shows GAA games. Tim Finnegan's is meant to feel like your home away from home. We welcome our guests in a warm, homey atmosphere. You can sit at the bar to share in the crack or tuck away in our quieter, more intimate Brian Regan room, which is a great spot to host private functions. We have a spacious dining room and newly remodelled stage with professional light and sound designed to emulate the St James's Gate of the Guinness Brewery in Dublin. Tim Finnegan's has an extensive menu with all of the traditional Irish favourites. We serve a traditional Irish brunch breakfast every Saturday and Sunday with Bloody Marys or mimosa specials. Chef's Sunday roast is every Sunday. The staff warmly welcomes all of our customers at Tim Finnegan's like they are family. Some of our staff are here with us from Ireland. Tim Finnegan's Irish Pub has great live entertainment from Thursday to Saturday nights. We hold traditional Irish music sessions every Sunday afternoon. But that's not all. We have Wednesday night pub quizzes, karaoke's and comedy nights. Tim Finnegan's has been at the centre of our Irish community since we opened in 2009. We are a big supporter of our local Irish cultural organisation, Chearnam Law, the Irish Theatre of South Florida, our local St Patrick's Day Parade, and Irish set and step dancing schools. We have a strong community around our pub, and we consider our customers and staff family.